Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, My Simple Remedies. Today, I'm going to show you 11 natural beauty hacks for gorgeous skin, hair, teeth, and nails. It's safe to say that smooth skin, white teeth, thicker lashes, and fuller eyebrows are on the wish list of most women. Unfortunately, not only are in-store conventional products often inexpensive, but they can also contain harmful synthetic chemicals. Thankfully, there are plenty of highly effective, natural alternatives to these hormone-disrupting products that will save you time and money. The best part? You probably have most of the ingredients that you need in your home already. First, we're going to talk about how to reverse the appearance of dark underarms. Potatoes contain enzymes and antioxidants that brighten and smooth the skin under your arms. It also gently exfoliates the delicate skin under your arms. The easiest method is to cut 2 half-inch thick slices of potato and massage each of your armpits with them for up to 3 minutes. Wait for 30 minutes after massaging before rinsing with cool water and patting dry with a clean cloth. Sunburns can be a huge nuisance, but you don't need to rely on nasty chemicals to ease the pain. For this one, simply mix together equal parts apple cider vinegar and filtered water. Apply this to the affected skin using a cotton swab or a cotton ball. Apple cider vinegar is a natural anti-inflammatory that will decrease the inflammation caused by sunburns, as well as adds nutrients to help speed up the skin's natural healing process. You don't need to rinse this remedy away, just apply and let it dry, and you'll start feeling the healing effects immediately. Getting perfect pearly whites is a breeze thanks to this simple remedy. Mix a 1/4 cup of extra virgin coconut oil with 2 tablespoons of organic turmeric powder. Pour into a small mason jar or bowl and allow it to harden. You can use this anti-inflammatory, stain-removing turmeric toothpaste instead of synthetic store-bought fluoride toothpaste anytime you need to brush your teeth. Yeah, it's gonna look a little crazy at first. Your teeth might look a bit orange or yellow, but that's just the turmeric powder. As soon as you rinse, you'll be left with beautiful pearly whites. Some of us have more active oil glands on our scalp than others, which makes rocking the 2nd or 3rd day hair impossible. Cut down on the grease by adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of sea salt or baking soda to your favorite natural shampoo. Your roots will stay cleaner longer. The salt or baking soda helps to absorb some of that excess oil without drying out your scalp or hair. Using this remedy will banish those greasy roots for good. Do your under eyes need an extra caffeinated boost in the morning? Use your morning cup of coffee to wake up your eyes and your mind. Combine 1 tablespoon of used coffee grounds with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Gently apply it to the skin right under the eyes and allow it to sit for 15 minutes before rinsing away. You can repeat this 3 to 4 times each week for optimum results. Sometimes all you need is a cup of joe to get up and glow. Full brows and lashes are all the rage, but if you overplucked at a young age, you might be having trouble keeping up with the trend. Give this remedy a try. For a natural thickening solution, clean out an old mascara bottle and its wand. Fill half the bottle with vitamin E oil, a 1/4 with castor oil, and the final 1/4 with 100% pure aloe vera gel. Or you can just apply it directly like I'm doing here. No wand needed. Mix thoroughly and apply to your lashes and brows every night for 1 month to get beautiful, full lashes and brows. Sugaring is a fantastic option for at-home hair removal. It's less painful than waxing and it won't irritate your skin. It also gives you a nice bit of exfoliation while you remove the hair. To make your sugar mixture, mix together a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 2 cups of granulated sugar, and a 1/4 cup of filtered water. Heat the mixture on low heat until it's nice and golden in color, then allow the mixture to cool. Apply it to your legs or anywhere you have any unnecessary hair, and remove it in the opposite direction that your hair grows. Be sure to remove it in sharp, quick motions, just like I'm doing here, and you won't experience any ingrown hairs or irritation, just smoothness. Brittle nails can be such a pain, and we've got the perfect natural remedy to keep them long, thick, and strong. Combine equal parts coconut oil, raw honey, and lavender oil into an old, cleaned out nail polish bottle. Using the nail polish brush, apply the mixture to your nails each night and allow them to dry. You'll have super thick, healthy nails in no time. Face masks are all the rage, but they can be super pricey. Luckily, this simple remedy is as effective as it is affordable. Simply combine 1 teaspoon of organic turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of raw organic honey, and 1 teaspoon of cow's milk or plain yogurt. This turmeric face mask is perfect for anyone suffering from acne, rosacea, eczema, or simply looking for an anti-aging, anti-dark circle natural remedy. Evenly apply this to your clean, makeup-free face and leave it on for 20 minutes. Gently rinse off with warm water. Your face will be glowing in no time. Homemade body butters are perfect for parched skin. This calming moisturizing cream is especially useful for your feet and heels. Combine a 1/4 cup of avocado oil, a 1/4 cup of magnesium oil, 3/4 cups of cocoa butter, and 30 drops of lavender oil. Put the cocoa butter in a glass jar and place it in a saucepan with water over low heat. Once the butter's melted, cool it in the fridge for 30 minutes, and then you can use it wherever you need to hydrate some dry patches on your skin. You can store this in the fridge for up to 90 days. Believe it or not, making your own natural shampoo is easy. Simply mix a 1/2 cup of liquid castile soap, 2 tablespoons of 100% pure maple syrup, 5 to 10 drops of carrot seed essential oil, and 10 drops of castor oil. Combine all of these ingredients and massage the mixture into your scalp for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing. Now there you have it, all 11 natural beauty hacks that are super simple to make and very affordable. Let us know in the comments down below if you decide to try these simple remedies for yourself. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.